Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in English grammar, noun. Yes, noun. If you're looking to improve your English, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. Definition of noun. Definition of noun. You must have heard that a noun is a word that name a person, place, things or ideas. For example, book, girl, Delhi, happiness. These all are noun. These all are noun. Types of noun. Types of noun. Now let's look at the different types of noun. Noun can be divided into a few categories. First, common noun. Common noun. These are general name for things. Example, city, dog, school. City, dog, school. Second, proper noun. Proper noun. These are specific name of people, place or things. Example, New York, Michael, Taj Mahal. New York, Michael, Taj Mahal. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. These refer to things that we cannot see but can feel or experience. Example, love, fear, happiness. Love, fear, happiness. Collective noun. Collective noun. These are words for groups or collection of things. Example, team, family, folk. Team, family, folk. Let's see some more example. Cat. Cat, this is a common noun. India, this is a proper noun. Freedom, this is a abstract noun. This is a collective noun, audience. Quiz section. Now let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Ready? Here we go. Question 1. Which of the following is a common noun? Which of the following is a common noun? Option A, Michael. Option B, dog. Option C, New York. Answer, dog. Because dog is a common noun because it's referred to any dog in general, not a specific one. Common noun are general name of people, place or things. Question number 2. Which of the following is a proper noun? Option A, school. Option B, happiness. Option C, Taj Mahal. Answer, Taj Mahal. Because is a proper noun. It is a specific noun, always refer to particular people, place or things, and they are always capitalized. Question number 3. Question number 3. Which of the following is a abstract noun? Is a abstract noun? Cheer, love, team. Cheer, love, team. Answer, love. Answer, love. Because love is a abstract noun. Abstract noun. It represents an emotion or feelings. Abstract noun cannot be seen or touched. They are ideas or concepts that we experience or feel. Okay. Next, question number 4. Which of the following is a collective noun? Which of the following a collective noun? Answer, option A, family. Option B, book. Answer, family. Family, because family is a collective noun. It's referred to a groups of people considered as a singular unit. Collective noun represent group of people, animal or things. Right? So that was our basic overview of noun. If you like this video, don't forget or like, share and subscribe. If you have any question or would like more video, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.